Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Blood and Iron on Roblox Mobile. First, ensure you have the Roblox application installed on your smartphone or tablet. Open the application and use the search bar at the top to find Blood and Iron. Once you locate the official game, simply tap on it and then press the play button to enter a server and begin your adventure. It's a straightforward process to get started. Understanding the mobile controls is key to success. On the left side of your screen, you'll find a virtual joystick for character movement. To look around, simply swipe your finger across the right side of the screen to adjust your camera. When it's time for action, a dedicated attack button will appear, allowing you to swing your weapon. Other interactive elements will also have clear buttons for easy engagement. To excel on mobile, consider these strategies. Fine-tune your sensitivity settings to achieve optimal aiming and movement control. Always use the environment to your advantage. Cover can be crucial in firefights. Try out different weapons, from muskets to swords, to find what suits your playstyle best. Remember, teamwork is vital, so use the in-game chat to coordinate with your allies for victory. For the best Blood and Iron mobile experience, a few optimizations help. Always play with a stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, to prevent lag. Close any background applications that might consume resources, ensuring your device focuses on the game. If you're serious about precision, a mobile controller can offer a significant advantage. Finally, keep your device charged to enjoy long, uninterrupted play sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.